This is from New York, right?
Yeah. Polish.
Kamil went.
Słuchajcie, jesteśmy w Las Vegas na konwencji Mynta. Oficjalne otwarcie, jest mega power, energia, jest motywacja. Steve Merritt z żoną, nasi bezpośredni uplinks. Pełen pomoc, motywacja od nich, nowe informacje, nowe szkolenie.
Hey guys, we just launched a brand new company called Mint. Right? We're bringing it to New York. We're here in Las Vegas for the grand opening. We actually have broken records in this industry. Gene and I helped create the fastest billion-dollar company in the history of North America. We're actually breaking our own records with Mint, and we're coming to New York. We're going to be going to Poland first. So the next couple weeks we're going to Poland, but after that we're coming back and we're going to be in the New York area, and we're going to help all of our friends launch Mint in the Northeast. So get all your team together, get them fired up, get excited, because this is your chance. People look around for an opportunity that's just getting started. How about having one that's backed by the fastest billion-dollar company in the history of the industry?
So hey, now's the time. Pack it out. We're looking forward to it. It's going to be big. And I just want to encourage you, if you want to make $1,000 extra a year, you need to have one person leaning forward that wants what you, better life, maybe a better house, maybe more time, better car, travel, whatever it is. If you want to make $40,000 extra a year, have 40 people in seats leaning forward, taking notes. That's all it's about. I'm telling you, we believe in you. It is going to be big.
Hey, we love our Polish friends.
That's right.
And we are going to come there to help you and make it happen. That's what it's all about, friends helping friends. This is an opportunity that any person can get involved and can afford to get started in, which is exciting. The risk, the reward will blow the doors off you when you see it, but you got to come to see it. So, hey, take the judgment of our friends.
Right.
If they're saying, hey, it's worth it for you to come and see it, then you need to come and at least investigate it for your family, because you won't believe what you can accomplish with this opportunity.
Can't miss the opportunity.